Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I thought of a better way to get these three lines equal to that three lines perfectly. And if you duplicate it right now and flip it over and mirror it over, it's not going to mirror perfectly. But you can take the virtual segment delete key. I've got everything in the middle of the page, so I'm going to take that line away. And then just Control D and make a duplicate. Then hold down the control button and it's gonna mirror it from that indexing line. So now everything's perfect on both sides of the line. Now, you can do a lot or a little bit with this, and you could do it several ways, but we could take that. We can just delete these lines we do not need. It's probably not necessary because you could always just smart fill it. Just make sure you get all the lines that you want to take away correctly. This is kind of a unique deal because you got circles and parts you don't really need. And just a few, and I could have smart filled the whole thing and just nudged out of the way. Let's go 2 more lines. And then as always, use the smart fill tool to fill that in. And now you've got a perfectly equal logo that's equal on both sides exactly because you flipped it. The other way, if we wouldn't have done that, if you would have, because I was showing everybody how to draw it at half of a time and then flip it. If this way, it's dead on, it's perfect, it's 100% equal. We could, tell you what, let's Control D and make a duplicate of that, and let's make the duplicate yellow, and then let's flip it. And now I'm going to see what my nudge factor is. Let's set it on 0.02, and let's nudge this down. And you can see that the black line is showing equally everywhere, so the logo is perfect. Anyway, hope that made a little bit of sense. Thank you for watching.